Hi, my name's Tracy Kitchen and I am the project coordinator of this blog. This blog is for EDN 113 and it's all about meaningful learning with technology, and my project overview is all about angles. So on my homepage you'll see that there is just the information about EDN 113 living and learning with technology and what it's all to do with. Then we move on to the About Me page, which has a picture of me, a little bit of information about who I am, a bit of history about me, and then at the bottom is my contact details, as in my email address. Then we go to the project overview, and in the project overview it talks all about what the project's to do with, and in this respect it's to do with mathematics, measurement, geometry, geometric reasoning, and it's all to do with angles, specifically acute, obtuse, right and reflex angles. It goes into what the project topic and learning outcomes are, the description, the end product, technology used, presentation space and audience, and then all about meaningful learning and the maker movement. In regards to the meaningful learning, it deals with active learning in the fact that the kids are to be involved and active in the classroom in regards to discussions, with definitions of mathematical language, the use of technology such as GeoGebra, which is a geometry app, as well as iPads for taking photos of angles within school grounds and of their friends making angles on a fun interactive session. There's constructive learning, which is the first session where they draw on any prior knowledge they've got. There's intentional learning, which is working towards a goal of creating their end product. And it's also self-directed, as they know that they have to go towards their end product. There's authentic learning, cooperative learning. Then the maker movement in regards to they've got to get involved and play with the apps. They're using technology and how maths and technology can be used and be formed together, and how they've got to use a screencast towards that as well. Then we go up further and we have the project content page, and in the project content page it goes into the lessons, and lesson 1 all the way through, sorry that's gone through too quickly, lesson 1 through to lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, or through to lesson 7. Each lesson goes for 15 minutes. There's 3 lessons a week of maths, so it takes just over 2 weeks. Thank you for watching my blog, and I do hope you get to enjoy it. Thank you. Bye.